Lionel Andres Leo Messi, born 24 June 1987, is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward four and captains both Major League Soccer club Inter Miami and the Argentina national team. Widely regarded as one of the greatest players in history, Messi set numerous records for individual accolades won throughout his professional footballing career, including 8 Balloons d'Or, 6 European Golden Shoes, and 8 times being named the world's best player by FIFA. He is the most decorated player in the history of professional football, having won 45 team trophies. Messi's records include most goals in a calendar year, 91, most goals for a single club, 672 for Barcelona, most goals in La Liga, 474, most goal contributions in the FIFA World Cup, 21, and most goal contributions in the Copa America, 32. A prolific goal scorer and creative playmaker, Messi has scored over 870 senior career goals and has provided over 380 assists for club and country.